Hello all. Did you know jackfruit isn't just for curries and chips? In the coastal kitchens of Karnataka and Goa, we steam its sweet pulp into soft, fragrant cakes wrapped in banana leaves. Today I am sharing a recipe that's healthy, gluten-free, and deeply rooted in tradition. Jackfruit steamed cake, also known as Halasinakayi Kadubu. Okay, so let's get started. Now start by blending the jackfruit pulp till smooth. In a large bowl, pour the pulp and keep it aside. In the mixie jar, add a handful of coconut, 3 to 4 cardamom pods, a teaspoon of pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg powder, also known as jaifal. Here I am taking 1.5 glass of idli rava. Semi-roast it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add all the ready ingredients in that large bowl. Here I am adding 1 glass of jaggery. You can adjust it as per your taste. Pour all the ingredients into one bowl and mix it together thoroughly. Adding a handful of coconut, grated coconut. Give it a nice mix. There should not be any lumps. Without adding water, give it a good mix. The batter should be thick but moist, like idli batter, not pourable. Once the jaggery melts and mixes, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Adding this will balance the taste. You can even add more ghee. So after that, give it a good mix again. Now add that roasted rava and off the heat and give it a good mix. Remember, during this step the heat should not be on. Turn off the flame and then stir it. Do not add any water. Stir it continuously until the rava mixes with the ingredients. Now prep the banana leaves, lightly wilt them over the flame so they are flexible. Now pour batter in the center. Fold it into a neat pocket. You can see that in the video. Give it this shape. Seal it with toothpick if needed. I am not using it here. Repeat the process. So here I am using a preheated idli cooker. Steam this for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. The leaves will turn pale and then the cake will firm up. Okay, so this is the best part. Open the leaf and let that warm, sweet smell hit you. It's soft, naturally sweet and nourishing. It's light, full of jackfruit flavor and feels like a warm hug from your grandma's kitchen. So if you have never made steamed cake in banana leaves before, try this just once and you'll be hooked. Let me know in the comments how it turned out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more heritage recipes from our coastal kitchen. Stay tuned.